Okay, so here's a little morning ritual. I was just given this little bitty baby. He's so shy, he's so sweet. His name is Shiloh. And he's part budgie, part parakeet. This one is also a baby, and I believe it's a female. Her name is Meadow, because I got her with this one that I got Sunny. So yeah, you got Sunny, Meadow. Sunny is a gorgeous male. And back there, the other parakeets were picking on him. Her, that is little mama. But, let me see if I can, don't know if you can see her head. They were pulling out her feathers. So, my friend called me. He's got a big aviary. He says, do you want her? That's a chair. So, and of course you got, the Three Stooges, which is Kiki, Fidget, and Phineas. But I just love Shiloh. Come here, baby. I don't know if you can see how pretty he is. There he is. Pretty sure it's a male, but still too young. Keiko, be nice. Keiko's wondering what's going on. And of course you got Paquita and Charlie. Fidget. All started with Fidget. But I do love the English budgies, and this one also is half and half. Half English budgie, half parakeet. So they'll get bigger and fuller, as will Meadow and Shiloh. You can see the difference. Over there is Fidget. And this one is, like I said, just a baby, and Fidget's about 2 or 3 years old. It's really cute because Meadow is taken to Shiloh. And she's been preening him and almost mothering him. I think she wants so bad to take a bath. But yeah, that's what you do with the babies. Put out a couple of towels, sprinkle on some seed, and I found an awesome burger. Actually, it's mixed with seeds, but it's stuff like you get dried beans, like a 6-bean soup, or I picked up the 15-bean soup. Without the soup, just do the beans. I added some pasta and some fresh cilantro, fresh green bell peppers, broccoli, and of course these are cracker crumbs that I also mix it with. But, oh, there goes the Three Stooges little horse bird food recipes. This is what it looks like. Oh, you got the carrots. This is still frozen. So it's carrots, cilantro, green bell pepper, any kind of tiny little pasta, which I also chopped. And get one of those packages of this. It's by Hearst. And you've got all kinds of yummy beans in there. I mean, seriously, humans could eat that. I'd probably be a lot healthier if I just ate that. But all kinds of yummy vitamins and stuff. So anyway, this is what they get every morning. Mixed with the cracker crumbs, which I just process up in the little food processor. Cracker crumbs or seed at night. But I don't just want them on seed. Oh, Kiki never left. Kiki. Sorry. So just wanted to show you what goes on in the morning. Yep, that guy's about 2 months old right there. And I loved, where is she? Her back. She's beautiful. And when she puffs all out. So, just get you some towels. Sprinkle some of that stuff on for the younger ones. The older ones actually, get it out of the bowl. And then, of course, oh yeah, some millet I took off of little round tiny millets like this. Causes a mess, but the babies love them. Very cool. Paquita, hello. Charlie, hello, baby. Hello, baby. Keiko, what do you say? Good girl. Charlie, hello, baby. Paquita, what are you doing? He really does talk. He talks up a storm. But he only talks to Charlie. Or he'll talk to me when Charlie's around. Oh, hi, how you doing? Keiko? Nice to meet you, Keiko. Good girl. Hi. Yes, hello. That was Paquita. Hello. Nice to meet you, baby. Hello. Good babies. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Peachy's out on the patio. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? You guys are making such a mess. But that's fine. Meadow. You're both doing that. What you doing, Meadow? Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Okay, bye-bye.